One of the great things about Replit is it is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere you have internet connection. You can code on your mobile devices, you can code on your tablets, your computers, wherever you are with the internet, and everything you do is saved automatically. And besides just being saved live, Replit also has history. So if you're coding and you make a mistake or you accidentally came in and deleted something you didn't mean to, you can come back down to the history and you can scroll back through your code line by line as you made changes. So you can rewind in time and go back to, oh, that was the one I wanted, save your work there. Your teacher can also come in and watch as you coded to see how it was that you were working through the problem. So these are great features. Obviously, if I got somewhere I wanted to be, I could hit restore and it would take me back to that point in time. Uh, I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just going to hit cancel. The other great thing about this cloud-based environment is that you can collaborate. And to begin with, we'll talk about collaborating with your teacher. So as you see here, I worked on my page and I made a change. And now if I hit run, uh, my student Kara, nothing's showing up. Her page isn't working now. So, she can reach out to her teacher in Google Chat and say, hey, I need help. Something's not working in my Replit. And your teacher can jump right in with you live. So in my other screen, I'm going in as a teacher to Kara's code. And you see here now there's this little icon, and if I hover, it says, hey, this person is currently looking at my code. And when I come in here, I can review the code and I can notice that, we're missing something here. And you notice as I click on a line, it shows where I'm looking. And then I can make comments in mine. And send it. And you see now we get a little speech bubble. So your teacher can put little comments on your code to give you hints or direction. And when you come in, you can look and say, it says, you're missing a tag here. So I can say resolve, I've read, or collapse. Let's see. Oh, I have an open title tag, but I don't have my close tag. And of course, there was an example of it helping me out and me trying to type, so I just had to fix it. So now I fixed it. I hit run. Now my page works, so I can resolve that thread. You could, if you're both in here, there's a chat feature. You could chat with your teacher. I'm going to be honest, I use the Google Chat while we work in here just because that alerts me and notifies me. But if you're both in here, you could write your teacher a note, and if they open, they'll see a little red dot, and they'll see chat, and they could say, and you could chat while you work on the code. We can also jump on a Google Meet and talk live while we work through the code. So there's lots of ways to help, but it's great that if you get stuck coding, they can see where you're at, what you're doing, and kind of give you hints to work through there. So just some more of the cool features that we have in Replit. And then if I'm done with this, I can just close that panel and move on. So hope that helps, and let your teachers know if you have any questions.